Reverend fathers, brothers, sisters, esteemed guests, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. It is indeed a great honor and a proud privilege to stand before you and deliver the vote of thanks on this special and memorable occasion. At the very outset, I would like to express our heartfelt and sincere gratitude to our respected principal for his visionary leadership, constant guidance, and unwavering support. His encouragement has truly been the driving force behind the success of this program. I would like to extend our deepest appreciation to our teachers whose dedication, patience, and tireless efforts have made this event a grand success. They have worked day and night, leaving no stone unturned to ensure that everything was perfectly organized. Their hard work has truly borne fruit, and we are deeply grateful for their constant encouragement and inspiration. Our sincere thanks also goes to our honored guests who took time out of their busy schedules to grace this occasion with their esteemed presence. Your valuable words, encouragement, and blessings have truly motivated us and made this event even more meaningful and inspiring. A special word of appreciation goes to all the students who participated wholeheartedly and showcased their talents with confidence and enthusiasm. You have truly risen to the occasion and made this program lively and colorful. I would also like to appreciate the organizing team for their relentless efforts behind the scenes. Their coordination and teamwork ensure that everything went like clockwork. I would also like to acknowledge and thank the non-teaching staff and everyone who contributed directly or indirectly to the success of this program. Every small efforts have played a significant role in making this event a success. Last but not least, I extend my heartfelt thanks to each and everyone for your gracious presence, cooperation, and encouragement. Your support has truly added charm and meaning to this occasion and made it unforgettable. As it is beautifully said, gratitude is the fairest blossom which springs from the soul. With these words, I humbly conclude my vote of thanks. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.